Ra, tell me about RPE. What is it?
Yeah, RPE stands for Rehab, Perform, Revolve. It's our online personal training and nutrition service that we offer patients while they're going through physical therapy or after physical therapy. Now, if you're not a patient of ours or a previous patient, you can also join our program, but it's our online personal training and nutrition coaching services. So a lot of clients come to us, they're struggling with weight loss, they're struggling with nutritional guidance, and they're usually dealing with some type of orthopedic pain. So they're seeking someone to help improve their overall health and wellness, whether it's weight loss, strength training, if you're an athlete trying to improve your sports performance. That's most of our clients that we work with.
That's fantastic. You said this was online. How does that actually work? Do you have an app or something?
Yeah, so we communicate all our clients through our app that we have. Our app is called RPE Fitness. We communicate with all our clients through there. All their programming is through there, so all their workouts are designed by their coach and by their physical therapist, and it's monitored, tracked, and progressed on a four-week block basis. We do meetings with our clients too to make sure they're learning throughout the process, to make sure they're sustaining their progress as well.
Can anybody sign up, or is there some sort of a qualification process that a prospective client has to go through to make sure that they're appropriate for the program?
Yeah, we have everyone fill out an application. We review their application, and if we see you're a good candidate, we'll reach out to you via email, text, or call you and say, hey, we think you're a perfect candidate and we can help you. Let's discuss a little bit more in detail about our program, and if it's a good fit, we'll sign them on.
Fantastic. Are most clients here for weight loss? Are most clients here to get stronger? Or are most clients here post-rehab from discharge from their rehab at Balance Physical Therapy?
All of the above. So we work with a wide array of patients. Most of our clients are in the weight loss and strength training realm. Most patients want to lose some pounds and get stronger, so they want to lose the fat, build lean muscle tissue, and work on functional performance, right? So their strength training is tied to a goal, whether it's hiking easier, whether it's picking up kids off the ground, whether it's playing better in their sport. They have really clear, specific goals when they're coming to work with us.
That's fantastic. So in summary, RPE is an online app-driven program that's designed and implemented by physical therapists who hold their clients accountable to their strength training regimens, their weight loss programming, and their nutritional programming to accomplish the goals set out by the client.
That's correct.
Perfect. It's beautiful. Great idea.